VBA stands for Visual Basic for Application. What is the use of VBA? VBA is used to create macro using sub-procedure or function to automate Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Access. What is meant by VBA editor? VBA editor is a place where you will write code for macros to automate the Excel. How to open VBA editor? To open VBA editor, you need to enable developer tab in Excel and click Visual Basic option to open VBA editor. One more option is you can use Alt F11 shortcut key to open VBA editor. What is procedure? Procedures are group of statements which instructs Excel to perform a specific task. What are the types of procedure? Sub-procedure and function are types of procedures. And what is module? Module is the area where VBA coding will be written. What is variable? Variable is named memory location used to hold a value that can be changed during the VBA code execution. What is constant? Constant is named memory location used to hold a value that cannot be changed during the VBA code execution. Rules to follow while declaring variable in VBA. Use a alphabetical letter as first character. Don't use space, period symbol, exclamation symbol like at symbol, ampersand symbol, dollar symbol, hash symbol in the variable name. Variable name should not exceed 255 characters. Avoid using Visual Basic reserved keywords. How to use commands in VBA. Statements that starts with a single quote is considered as comment in VBA. And statements that starts with a REM keyword is considered as comment in VBA. What are the data types in VBA? Numeric data types are byte, integer, long, single, double, currency, and decimal. Non-numeric data types are string, date, boolean, object, and variant. What are the types of operator? First one is arithmetic operator, which is plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponential. Next one is comparison operator, equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Next is logical operator, which is and, or, not, XOR. Next is concatenation operator, which is ampersand symbol. What is meant by object? An object represents an element of an application such as a worksheet, a cell, a chart, a form, or a report. What is meant by properties and methods? A method is an action that an object can perform. A property is an attribute of an object that defines object size, color, and behavior. What are the objects available in Excel? First one is application, which is that complete Excel application. Next, that workbook. Next, the worksheets within that workbook and range within that worksheet and cells within that range. Then table, then chart and picture. So these